Welcome to CB040, the essentials of Couchbase mobile and IoT, or Internet of Things, technology. In software, it's a truism that there are hard problems and, well, less hard problems, plus the occasional easy problem. Getting mobile data management right is a hard problem. We're going to look at how we've made it a whole lot easier. We wrote this course for tech leaders needing a first look at why mobile and IoT technology are hard to get right, what the Couchbase mobile stack offers as a solution, and how to get started putting it to work. We're going to survey the challenges inherent to mobile data management, then get an overview of the Couchbase mobile solution. We'll look into some common use cases where Couchbase mobile has eased a whole lot of pain, and we'll end with a look at where to go to check out whether Couchbase mobile may meet your needs. Of course, this is the software industry. We're all in a hurry, so here's the super fast version of what's ahead. Mobile and IoT apps need to work both online and offline, with no perceptible change in end user or end function behavior. This is hard to get right. So unless you're ready to roll and maintain your own codebase, consider saving a whole lot of time and money with the open source Couchbase mobile stack. Let's get started.